I have been struggling to communicate my ideas about using internet technology to solve climate. I've had this YouTube channel for a while, I've attended events, and just this week I was at a regular meetup group and I was speaking with someone who I'd spoken with before, and they said, "What are you trying to do?" And I'm like, I just want to share my ideas. And the suggestion, really good suggestion, is why don't you use AI to visualize your ideas, and then people will be able to see and people will be able to understand. And this is a good idea. This is probably what I should be doing if I wanted to grow the YouTube channel, get good visuals. That's important. But if we want to solve climate, solving climate is hard. I'm not opposed to AI, but to replace imagination? I mean, the point is to imagine the solution. A long time ago when I was in university, I was volunteering at a children's hospital. And this girl's in therapy, and we're using video games, and the kid has to use the mouse. And the kid's really struggling. It's hard. And I noticed that one hand is a lot stronger than the other, and I'm like, well, why don't you use the other hand? Because that would make it easier to use the mouse and win up the video game. And the therapist who was helping us just looks at me. The point wasn't for the kid to learn mouse skills or master the video game. The point was to strengthen the weakened hand. Once the kid's hand is stronger, the kid will be able to learn mouse skills and play video games and all the other things in life that require fine motor skills. With climate, it's not just that we have to solve the problem, it's that our problem-solving skills, our creativity, our imagination, these skills, I think, have atrophied. Right when we need to face a challenge that requires super strength. My idea is, instead of refrigerators in your homes, you have a smart refrigerator, a bit like a vending machine. And you can put items in that refrigerator. And the refrigerators are connected to little elevators. And the little elevators are connected to tiny trains. And all the super smart refrigerators are connected to other super smart refrigerators. And so you have this way of moving objects from one spot to another. Now this is very similar to the way we have computers today that can move information from one computer to another. Easily, cheaply, conveniently. We do that for goods. We just had an information management revolution. We're about to have a goods management revolution. We can reboot the economy. There's so much opportunity. And I know that this might not make sense and people might not believe it and it might not seem possible, but do you need AI to help you imagine refrigerators and elevators and train tunnels? It might help. I'm not opposed to using AI. But I think we need to enhance our skills, our problem-solving skills. And then it'll be easier for humanity to solve a problem like climate change and all the other problems we face. If you want to see, internet kiosk, elevator shaft, train tunnel, this exists.